How to hide online status on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can hide your online status on Instagram. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to hide your online status on Instagram, all you have to do is first of all make sure that you've updated the Instagram app, and then once you've done that, just go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Once you launch the Instagram app, what you want to do is simply come to the profile page from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you come to the profile page over here, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side and then go to the option called settings. And then once you come to settings, you have to look for the option that says privacy at the first and the third option. Once you go to privacy, scroll down and you'll find a tab that says activated status. You just want to make sure to tap on that option. Now over here you can see that both of our toggles are turned on. So what you want to do is just go ahead and turn these things off over here. Once you've done that, no one else will be able to view your active status, but as a result you will also not be able to view other people's active status. That's all it takes to hide your online status on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.